Pasha Basu.
Thank you, Alpha. Idea Cellular and the Aditya Birla Group are very, very pleased to be here in Yorkshire today.
Good evening, Yorkshire. Well, you guys have been giving us a lot of love, a lot of encouragement. Thank you very much. And today we are here to announce the Idea Glamour Star of the Year. It is Aishwarya Bachchan.
Good evening, Yorkshire. Namaste, hello. And thank you for being the most fantastic audience we have ever experienced. And personally, thank you all so much for your good wishes for me and Abhishek and our family. Love you too. Right. This is special because this is really an award that belongs to everybody I have worked with in my entire career. My makeup artists, my stylists, my designers, who have helped me create different characters on celluloid throughout the various genres of cinema that I've tried to be a part of and enjoy in my career. So this belongs to all of you. Thank you.
हमारा अगला अवार्ड उन स्पेशल लोगों के लिए है who are head and shoulders above the rest. इस साल the Idea IFAR Award for the Glamour Star of the Year male goes to someone who has given a new meaning to the word hero worship. All right, for showing us how to look cool while pulling off heists and being stylish while leaping off buildings in a cape, the Idea Glamour Star of the Year is...
The Idea Glamour Star of the Year male award goes to Hrithik Roshan.
Thank you. Yorkshire, thank you for loving us so much. We love you too. Thank you, Ifa. Thank you, Andre. Honestly, this award has very little to do with me and a lot to do with a lot of other people. So a big thanks for all the people who are responsible. The best stylist in the world, Anaita. Where are you? Mwah. My makeup artist, James. He just won an award himself. Congratulations, dude. My assistant, Nandan. And the rest of my staff. Congratulations, guys. This one is for you. Thank you, Ifa. I love you. Thank you.
अगर कुछ साल पहले कोई राइटर किसी फिल्म मेकर से कहता कि एलियंस और स्पेसशिप्स के बारे में फिल्म बनाते हैं, तो the writer would have been thrown out of the filmmaker's office for sure. But one filmmaker decided to take the chance. बहुत ही कम लोग होते हैं जो आने वाले कल को देख सकते हैं और उस कल की तरफ कदम बढ़ाते हैं. Our winner for the Idea Creative Person of the Year is someone who brought Jadoo in our lives a few years ago. Last year, he gave us the super hit, the blockbuster film Krish, and India got its first very own superhero film. And only because one man realized that filmmaking technology had finally caught up with all our imaginations. The Idea Creative Person of the Year goes to none other than Rakesh Roshan.
I don't know if I deserve this, because most of the time we intend to say that I did this and I did that, I've done this and I've done that, but we all know we do nothing. It's He who does, He plans everything. And He gives us the strength. So I guess we should all thank Him. And I should thank IIFA for again giving us a great show. Thank you, IIFA.
They say a true artist succeeds when his or her art speaks louder than his or her own voice. Our next award is not really an award, it's a salutation to a dynamic creative force who has shown her conviction and creative talent in abundance and proved her caliber as a writer, director and producer globally. IIFA applauds her remarkable talent and spirit. I request Shabana Azmi to come on stage to present the Idea IIFA Award for Outstanding Achievement by an Indian in International Cinema.
Good evening, Yorkshire. It is my proud privilege to present before you a woman of deep sensitivity, conviction, and above all, rare courage. When I think of Deepa Mehta, I am reminded of a sher by my husband, Javed Akhtar. Hamare shauq ki ye intiha thi, hamare shauq ki ye intiha thi, qadam rakha to manzil rasta thi. Let us look at the work of Deepa Mehta.
आदमी विधवा का घर कहाँ है? जंग है क्यों? तेरा दिल तो
If we quit India today, you'll bloody well fall on each other's throats. Hindus, Muslims, and Sikhs will jockey for power.
गोरी है?
हाँ?
तो फिर जल्दी बताना कौन है वो?
वो एक विधवा है।
But 10 years ago, I had a vision that I wanted to make a trilogy of fire, earth, and water, and that they were films that I would find meaningful. Fire is about the politics of sexuality. Earth is about the politics of nationalism. Water is about the politics of religion.
On stage, Deepa Mehta to receive her award, please. Outstanding achievement by an Indian in international cinema.
Thank you. Actually, namaskar, sat sri akal, and salam alaikum. This is an amazing, amazing moment. It's much better than having your effigy burnt. It feels really, really good. More than anybody else, I'd like to thank David Hamilton, the producer of Fire, Earth, and Water, who has been in this incredible journey with me. Thank you, David. Ajay Vermani for being a friend who stood by me when things were really dim. And more than anything else, I'd like to thank the popular film industry for making energy, color accessible to us who are called NRIs. We have an identity because of you. Thank you.